That's the sound that is coming. There's a bug का sound है ना. You'll not get it. You'll not get it in cities. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of mountains and place with nature. I love it. I love it. I love the sound. Waterfall advisable for you to take the roads. Oh my god. See the dog go sleeping. Bye. He was sleeping. I left him alone without disturbing. तो रास्ते में कुछ है क्यों नहीं? कुछ होना चाहिए ना. Good food, good vibes. Isn't the view so pretty? There's a cow gully in Gangtok, which I didn't even heard of. मतलब ऐसे अलग अलग जगह में हमने सुना, मतलब सुना है. दिल्ली में है. Then what is the next place? In Delhi, Mumbai. There's a cow gully के बारे में सुना है, but this is the first time I'm just like. See, that's what I'm guessing. कि यहाँ पे ना दूसरा एंड है रोपवे का. Okay, so I didn't know about this, but there's a monastery as well as the institute. Both are here, and I really wanted to visit a monastery today. I literally walked a lot, just resting 5 minutes and then we'll go. It's almost there. But the fact is, I don't know far. I've been to MG Marg. Then I'll have to pick a return way. Okay, let me check how much far it is. The walking distance.
बार आई जा ना.
So this is the Namgyal Tibetalology Institute, but the thing is, for entry you have to take like 25 rupees का ऐसा ठीक है, आपको लेना पड़ेगा 25 rupees, and then you can come, but photography is not allowed like inside. You can go see ऐसा है, but photography is not there. So that is much what I am doing. But I'll take a picture from outside. Okay, चलो आते हैं घूम के. So I'm out now. I was there in the Tibetan, Namgyal Tibetan Institute. It was good. Like आपको वहाँ पे ना सारी मतलब क्या लिपि वगैरह वो सब थी, और Tibetan culture, Buddhist culture, life of Buddha, all that things, वो डिटेल में वो सारी चीज़ें थी. So it's Namgyal Institute of Tibetalology. Yeah, it was pretty good experience, and now I'm going to the monastery that seems to be here. That's what the person said. Let's see. I think I just have to walk a bit, but yeah, 1 second. Seems like this is the way to the monastery. I'll figure out while walking. That's what I'm doing since morning. I'm just figuring out. Definitely in the hill. Nothing in the mountains isn't plain. Google map is such a dhokha. So I was searching this place. It's the Tibetalology Institute. Okay. क्या हुआ? उन्होंने दिखाया 1.5 kilometers. So I thought, yeah, it's pretty okay. Like, okay, हो जाएगा. And ऐसे करके कि हो जाएगा 1.5 kilometer, and नीचे specifically it was mentioned as flat. Man, I mean bro, it's not flat. It was downhill. बड़ी मुश्किल हुई. Climbing stairs is better than walking that steep road. Few more steps, and then I think it's Jordan Monastery. I think it's there, somewhere there.
हुन्छ आउनु न, हामी घुमाउनुपर्छ अब. भात यस्तो पनि लास्ट राउन्ड साप होइन नि, साप होइन त्यो बगान.
It was written to rotate in this direction. That's what I'm doing. Rotating. I'll not leave a single thing. I'll rotate. I'm happy. Extremely happy. Few girls who मेरे आगे आई. They are so fast. They're doing this. Oh. वो इट्स रैंडम। मैंने सारे टच किए, सारे के सारे टच किए। आई विल गो टू द टेम्पल। वहाँ पे जो है ना, मैंने अपने जूते वहीं छोड़ लिए भाई, चप्पल वहीं छोड़ के यहाँ भी। बट शूज़ आर द बेस्ट। I asked one और उन्होंने बोला the monastery is under construction, so there's this other way in which I can go. Let's see. बोला तो है उन्होंने सीधा जाके नीचे जाओ। went to the monastery. वहाँ प्रेयर हो रहा था आफ्टरनून का. It was such surreal feeling. It was such a good feeling, peaceful feeling. वहाँ I sat for like 10 minutes and then I came. Oh, I almost thought that कि यही मोनेस्ट्री है. अभी अपने को चलने का है थोड़ा सा और फिर आगे जाके there's the ropeway का. Probably I'll go there. Probably नहीं जाने का है. That's the way to ropeway. I'm just gonna take it.
टैक्सी वगैरह लगेगा लाइन है. ओके.
लिटरली मैं बच गई. I'll tell you why. तो मॉर्निंग में when I started my journey, like वहाँ से MG मार्ग से आई वेंट टू द रोप वे. रोप वे में जाने के बाद मैंने सोचा लेट्स इवन तो मैंने रोप वे कर रखा है, मैंने सोचा फिर से कर लेते हैं. बट देन मैं वहाँ पे गई एंड देन आई लेफ्ट. लकीली आई डिडंट डू दैट. तो आई वॉक. नीचे उतरना वॉज कंपेरेटिवली ओकेश. तो आई वॉक, आई कम luckily. But now I don't have the I cannot climb, that is too much. एकदम खड़ा रास्ता है ना. I couldn't, so I just took the because either way I wouldn't have walked. इतना खड़ा खड़ा फिर पंचर हो जाता मेरा. So I took this ticket on one way. They'll drop me at the other side. This cost me around 185. But that is okay. It's fine. It's fine as far as I'm not walking the steep road. It's fine. One way.
वो भी आ जाओ ना, करते रहो जितना हो उतना उतना करवाते रहो, बढ़िया रहेगा.
फाइनली मैं टिकट पा
कौन सा
बोले ना, आप टिकट नहीं होता. फूल है साहब, दो टिकट.
कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ बोलिए। उसकी की पैसा करना तुझे नहीं आवा देगा आते बोलो 10 जन ऊपर आके बोलते तुलसी हमरा
वाले
मेरा 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 वो कि नहीं कौन सा अच्छा ये वाला
प्रोटोफोर किलर स्टार्ट
बाय बाय done with my ropey ride. It was only 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. One way. I'm done. I was the only one जो कि one way जा रही थी. चलो, I'm almost nearby. I have to walk थोड़ा सा. हम वाले रोड पे हूँ. थोड़ा सा have to walk and then I'll be on MG Marg. Yeah.
हमारा नाम है जिंगा
This is the Pradhan Marg, and then we'll go to MG Marg. There are so many so many cafes are there. Cafes and eateries are there. Like on Pradhan Marg, like in comparison to the MG Marg, you'll see a lot. Pantaloons. And I'm into the MG Marg. Iconic MG Marg.
Where do you stay? I stay here.
I don't know कितने बजे निकली थी 9:30 निकली थी maybe more than that and then I was in and then again Lhasa and then I was out again and I'm out now. It's 2:52. Let me see my number of steps. 16,586.